Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use keyframes for animations in SwiftUI. So firstly I will show you guys the output and then we can have a look at the code. So I have just run my application and here you can see I have one image as well as I have one button, and if I click on this button, here you can see I'm able to apply this particular sort of weird animation where we are scaling and bouncing both at the same time using this particular keyframe animation. So I'll just show it once. So here you can see, let's see how to do this. So firstly just create a SwiftUI application, and here I have set some animation values. So by default I have set the scale as 1.0, vertical strength also same, vertical translation as 0 and angle as 0 as well. Then here I have just taken this particular boolean variable, and if you see inside my assets folder I have added this particular image as well. Now inside vstack I have taken one image, and this is my image name. Change it to whatever is your image name. I have assigned some resizable frame and aspect ratio as well as clip shape as well. And here is our keyframe animator. I am passing these animation values which we have defined. Here we are passing our boolean variable, and here we get our content, and whatever is our content we apply the rotation effect, scale effect. I have applied it one more scale effect, and here we are also offsetting it. And inside the keyframes I have created two keyframe track, one for scale. So here is our linear keyframe, and then we have spring keyframe twice. Then here is our keyframe track as well for vertical strength. Here is our cubic keyframe. Again, just play around with this value. I have copied it from the documentation, and here is our button, and on click of it we are just toggling this particular value. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.